ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोपम् अनवद्यं च
अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
There was some TV noise, so I muted the mic of someone. Make sure that there is no noise. Ayun Luk Eong Ai Ouch Yamanganadam Gadadash.
Forbid what the next 4 years would look like. For in Joe Biden's America, China would control our drug production.
Nalini
We'd
ji,
be one step
what is
closer to doubling on healthcare. We wouldn't just be unable to keep our doctors, we'd be lucky if we could see any doctor. And even then, some of us would be denied care. For in socialized medicine, you don't beat the odds.
I don't know what's happening. Keep your TV on and watch classes also. Which one will enter your head? I don't know. Ghadadash. Jabagadadash. Papa Chatata Chatato. Pai. Shashasar. Hal. See, you are in the class, and you have your, even with your headphone, the surrounding noises can be easily heard by everyone, and definitely it will disturb the class. Even if it here also, if some noise is there around, that will disturb. But if it is peacock or birds, then nothing can be done. But other noise I can, to some extent, I can control. Similarly, at your end also you have to see, you have to be away from the noise, if it is the kitchen or if it is the whatever the hall where TV is kept. Move away from the hall and attend the classes from some other place. TV is on and people are talking behind, and class also is on. Everybody can hear everything, right? Don't you all feel disturbed?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
That's
And
the basic courtesy, I guess.
as a teacher, I have developed a lot of patience. Actually, I was not that much. I developed now. I learned a lot from the students, even from the students in the Gurukula. The students they teach. In fact, they are my teachers actually, because they teach me a lot. They teach me how to develop tiksha. I taught my teacher how to develop tiksha. The students now they teach me how to develop tiksha. This parampara.
Right, Guruji.
I also was mischievous with my guru. That is different. My guru had to put up with a lot of things. Similarly, I have to put up with. Okay. Akuka visarjaniyānām kantah.
Visarjanīyanām kantah.
Ichuyashanām talu. Turashanām ordha. Lutulasanām dantāha. Padmānīyānām oštau. Nyamānganānām nasikā ca. Edaito go kantatalu. Kodauto go kanta oshtam. Harasya danta oshtam.
Harasya dantoshtam.
Jikhva mūliyasya jikhva mūlyam. Nasika anusvarasya. Ramo rajamanis sada vijayate ramam ramesham bhaje.
राजमणि सदा विजयते रामेशं भजे
रामेणां विहता निशाचर चमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः.
रामेणाभिहिता निशाचर चरमो रामाय तस्मै नमः.
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्.
रामायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्.
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर. All these things we are going to see slowly later. Now Rama Shabda. Rama Shabda we know. So I'm going to ask you to do. Now Shivani ji. Her name is first in the chat.
Ji.
Akarantaha pullingaha Subramanya Shabdaha. Can you decline?
Akaranta pullingaha Subramanya.
Shabdaha.
Om. Subramanya Shabda.
Subramanya Shabdaha. Akarantaha Visarga should be pronounced. Akarantaha pullingaha Subramanya Shabdaha.
Yeah, Subramanyah, Subramanyau, Subramanyah, Subramanyam, Subramanyau, Subramanya, Subramanyena, No, it will be no, Subramanyena.
Subramanyena, Murdani Nakara only.
Yeah.
Subramanyena.
Nakara only, no?
Yeah.
Rama, Subramanyabhyam, Subramanyaihi, Subramanyaya, Subramanyabhyam, Subramanyebhyah.
Subramanyebhyah, yes.
Subramanyat, Subramanyabhyam, Subramanyebhyah, Subramanyasya, Subramanyyoho, Subramanya
is a Shabda. Subramanyayoho. It will be.
Subramanyyoho, Subramanyyanam, Subramanye, Subramanyyoho, Subramanyeshu. He Subramanya, He Subramanyau, He Subramanyaha.
Yes. Next person. Parishabda. Jyotiji. Very simple one. You can do Atiti Shabda.
इकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः अतिथि शब्दः अतिथिः अतिथि अतिथयः अतिथिम् अतिथि अतिथीन् अतिथिना अतिथिभ्याम् अतिथिभिः अतिथये अतिथिभ्याम् अतिथिभ्यः अतिथेः अतिथिभ्याम् अतिथिभ्यः अतिथेः अतिथयोः अतिथ्योः अतिथीनाम् अतिथीनाम् अतिथौ
yeah.
अतिथौ अतिथ्योः अतिथिषु हे अतिथे हे अतिथि हे अतिथयः.
Yes. All of you can practice Atiti Shabda. It is a tongue twister. Atiti. Atiti. Alpa prana, maha prana. It means guest. Atiti. So you can try this Shabda. I'm giving different Shabda so that you can practice. The next one, Tanujaji. Manyu
Yes,
Shabda. Manyu means anger. Manyave. Comes in Rudram. So Manyu. Ukaranta Shabda.
Okay. Ukarantah पुल्लिङ्गः मन्यु शब्दः मन्युः मन्यु मन्युवः मन्यु.
No. Guru becomes Guravaha. Manyu will become
मन्यवः. Sorry.
yes.
मन्युम मन्यु मन्यु मन्यून् मन्यूना.
No, Manyun. I didn't hear properly. Okay.
Okay. Manyum, Manyu, Manyun.
Okay.
Manyuna, Manyubhyam, Manyubhihi. Manyuve.
Not Manyuve. Guru becomes Gurave.
Oh,
Manyu will become
Manve.
not Manve. Manyu. The Pratipadikam is Manyu. So here Guru.
Sorry. Manyave, right?
Manyave, yes. Guru, Gurave, Manyu, Manyave.
Okay. Manyave. Manyubhyam, Manyubhyaha. Manyoho, Manyubhyam, Manyubhyaha. Manyoho, Manyorho.
No, why Repa? Repa is only Guru in Guru, the word
Oh.
Guru, that Repa is Repa plus U. Therefore, Gurvoho. In Manyu, there is no Repa.
Right.
So
Okay.
it becomes
Yes. Manyuvaha.
Manyoho. Yakara, Maka, then Man plus Yakara, then Voho. Manyoho.
Okay.
Yakara, Yakara, then Voho.
Okay. Manyoho, Manvoho, Manunam,
Manyunam.
Manyunam. Oh, sorry, Manyu. Okay. Manyunam, Manyau, Manvo, Manvoho,
Not manvoho,
Manyovoh,
manyo.
Man, Man, Manyovoh, Manyovoh.
Manyoho, it is a bit difficult to pronounce because yakara, vakara together. Fine.
Manyushu,
Manyushu.
Manyushu. He Manyo, He Manyu, He Manyavah, Manyavah.
Okay. Next person. Palam is simple. All these Sarvanama Shabdas are simple. So skipping that. Then the Akaranta, Strilinga Shabda, Rama Shabda, Kausalyaji. Kausalyaji, how do you decline this? You know Lalita Sahasranamam?
No, Guruji.
You know how does it start? Anybody?
Sri Mata.
Sri Mata. Okay. Sri Mata, how do you decline?
Sri Mata, Sri Mate,
No. Hold on. Sri Mata. Mata. What
Mata.
link? What is the declension? How is the declension? Mata. Is it like Rama Shabda?
Yeah, yes.
Really? Please think. Mata, we have seen this before.
Oh,
Matru
Matru.
Shabda.
Mata is Matra Shabda. Okay.
Matru Shabda.
Rikarantaha, Strilingaha, Matra
Matra
Shabda. We have
Shabda.
seen this before.
Okay.
Matra, Pitra. Remember?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
That
Yes.
declension will be Mata, Matarau, Matara.
Matara.
Sri Mata, what you see in the Lalita Sahasranam is Matru Shabda. Sri Matru. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavajanam is Sri Mata. Sri Mata, when I ask you to decline, then you have to say it is Matru Shabda. Sri Matru Shabda. Sri Mata is Pratama Vibhakti. Sri Mata, Sri Mataro, Sri Mataraha. Not Sri Mata, Sri Mate, Sri Mata.
Okay.
Not like Rama Shabda.
Okay, Guruji.
Right?
Okay.
So in Lalita Sahasranam, you will find a lot of Ikaranta, Akaranta, Ikaranta and all. Okay, now I'll give one word from them. Maybe a long word. The word may be long, but it should not be difficult to decline because only the last letter is going to change in the Shabda. The preceding, all the other things, forms is going to be same. Nothing is going to change. Even the word Subramanya, when he gave, what is Subramanya? It is Akaranta, like Rama. Similarly, Manyu, Ukaranta, Guru. The last letter only of the Shabda going to be replaced by another Shabda. The other preceding is going to be same. Nothing is going to change. That Abhyasa has to come. I think some people have still confusion with that. Now for you, Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta. How do you decline it? Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta. Chit Agni Kunda Sambhuta. It's a long word.
Chit Agni Kunda Sambhuta.
Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta. Shabda.
Chitagni Kunda Sambhuta. Chitagni Kunda Sambhute. Chitagni Kunda Sambhutaha. Chitagni Kunda Sambhutam. Chitagni Kunda Sambhute. Chitagni Kunda Sambhutaha. Chitagni Kunda Sambhutaya. Sambhutaya, correct?
Yes. Only Bhutaya only matters. Chidagni Kunda is going to be same. So
Yeah.
Bhutaya. So you can say Bhutaya now. Bhutaya.
Okay. You want me to tell only the last?
Yes,
portion?
last is enough.
Okay. Sambhutabhyam, Sambhutabhihi, Sambhutayai, Sambhutabhyam, Sambhutabhyaha, Sambhutavyaha, Sambhutabhyam, Sambhutabhyaha, Sambhutayaha, Sambhutayoho, Sambhutanam, Sambhutayam, Sambhutayoho, Sambhutasu. He Sambhute, E Sambhute, He Sambhutaha.
Rama Shabda right in front you are saying. Without this, you should be able to say.
Yes.
Okay. In the Lalita Sahasranam, what is that word? Chidatnikunda Sambhuta. What vibhakti is that? What vibhakti? What vachanam?
प्रथमा विभक्ति
विभक्ति
एकवचनं।
प्रथमा विभक्ति
विभक्ति एकवचनम्
ekavachanam.
No, vibhakti ekavachanam. So the same now, the word in Sahasra Namavali, you will find Chidatnikunda Sambhutayai Namaha. What vibhakti now?
Chaturthi
Chaturthi
ekavachanam.
Chaturthi ekavachanam. You should be able to spot like this. Now the next one, continuing. So Rama Shabda and all the Shabdas we have been doing every class. So a different Shabda I'm giving. Please keep practicing this Shabda. Identifying the Shabda Bhakti is important. Priyaji, now. Srimad Simhasaneshwari. How do you decline this?
Srimad Simhasaneshwari, correct?
Yeah, you know Lita Sahasranam?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No, okay.
You want the last word?
Srimad Simhasaneshwari. How is that many of you don't know Lita Sahasranam? Important.
Only listening.
What about Vishnu Sahasranam? I think
Vishnu Sahasranam,
Yeah, listen. Yeah,
गुरुजी
little bit.
We used to chant every day, Guruji. Vishnu Sahasranam and Lalita Sahasranam.
okay. Yes, Priyaji.
Yes,
Srimad Simhasaneshwari. Ikara
Srimad.
Shabda.
yes. Srimad Simhasaneshwari. Srimad Simhasaneshwarya. Srimad
Simhasaneshwarya.
Srimad Simhasaneshwarya. Srimad Simhasaneshwaryaha. Srimad Simhasaneshwari. Saneshwarim. Srimad Simhasaneshwarya. Srimad Simhasaneshwarihi. Srimad
Simhasaneshwari. It's a dirgha.
long. Sorry. Srimad Simhasaneshwarihi. Srimad Simhasaneshwarya. Srimad Simhasaneshwaryabhyam. Srimad
Simhasaneshwaribhyam.
Shwaryabhyam.
Swaribhyam. Right. Nadi become Nadibhyam. Srimad Simhasaneshwaribhyam.
Shwaryabhyam.
Yes.
Okay. Srimad Simhasaneshwaribhyam. Srimad Simhasaneshwaribihi. Srimad Simhasaneshwarya. Srimad Simhasaneshwar.
Simhasaneshwaryai.
Sorry.
Okay, take only
Simhasaneshwarya.
Simhasaneshwari.
Okay.
Simhasaneshwaryai. Then
Simhasaneshwaryai. Simhasaneshwaryam.
no,
Simhasaneshwari.
Simhasaneshwaribhyam.
Simhasaneshwaribhyam.
Hmm.
Simhasaneshwaribhyaha. Simhasaneshwaryaha. Simhasaneshwaribhyam. Simhasaneshwaribhyaha. Simhasaneshwaryaha. Simhasaneshwaryoho. Simhasaneshwarinam. Simhasaneshwaryam. Simhasaneshwaryoho. Simhasaneshwarishu. He Simhasaneshwari. He Simhasaneshwaryo. He Simhasaneshwaryaha.
So the Shabda you are saying, English Shabda in front or without this? From your memory.
Not in memory.
It should be in memory. That's the practice.
Trying separately. I'm learning, but when I learn the new one, the old one.
Not the new one. What the new one?
No, Ji, you put the next one. No, the old one I'm a little bit forgetting. I'm revising.
Every day you chant it as a part of your prayer. You won't forget.
Okay, Ji. Okay, Ji.
Okay, let us quickly do the Pratama Vibhakti only. You can repeat after me. I'm not giving the description, only the Vibhakti. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha.
रामः रामौ रामाः
हरिः हरि हरयः
हरिः हरि हरयः
हरयः
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः
गुरुः
गुरवः
गुरवः
पिता पितरौ पितरः.
पिता पितरौ पितरः.
By seeing the word pita, don't conclude it is akaranta strilinga. Pita is rikaranta pitru. Somebody mata matru. Karta kartru. Data datru. Bhakta bhaktru. So these are rikaranta shabda. Karta kartarau kartaraha.
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः.
एषः एतौ एते.
एषः एतौ एते.
अयम् इमौ इमे.
मे
सः तौ ते.
सः तौ ते.
सः कौ के.
सः कौशे.
रमा रमे रमाः.
रमा रमे रमाः.
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः.
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः.
All these are strilinga. Matihi matihi matayah.
मतिः मतिः मतयः.
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः.
धेनुः धेनुः धेनवः.
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः. एषा एते एताः.
एषा एते एताः.
इयम् इमे इमाः.
इयम् इमे इमाः.
तातेताः.
ताः.
काकेकाः.
काकेकाः.
फलं फले फलानि.
फले फलानि.
फलं फले फलानि
एतत् एते एतानि.
एतत् एते एतानि.
इदम् इमे इमानि.
इदम् इमे इमानि.
तत् ते तानि.
तत् ते तानि.
किं केकानि.
किं केकानि.
Then Madhyama Purusha Yushmat Shabda. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Again. Yushmat is the Pratipadikam, Dakarantaha. For all the linga, the form will be same. Now only Pratama Vibhakti we are trying to learn. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Pratama Vibhakti and its usage. Then Uttama Purusha. Asmat Shabda, declension will be Aham Avam Vayam. Again. Okay. I sent this table maybe late, doesn't matter, but we have to form different sentences. You try. Some typos, I corrected that. Yeshaha Ramaha Patati. Yeshaha Ramaha Davati. So different many Kriya Padams are there. Patati. What does it mean, Patati?
reads
He read.
Davati.
runs
Patati.
falling down
Gayati.
Sings.
Likati.
writes
Japati.
Japa.
chant
Hasati.
laughs
Marati.
Remembers.
Pashyati.
Sees.
Shalati.
walks goes
Kshati.
Protect.
Tishtati.
stands
Stand.
So from this Kriya Padam you can see Patati. Then Patati is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. You can see it is Pratama Purusha and it is Ekavachanam. So Patati. And Pratama Purusha Dvivachanam, which is Patataha. And Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam. Will be Patanti. So Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Similarly, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam will be Patasi. Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam will be Patasi. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, patasi. Madhyama Purusha Dvivachanam, patataha. Can you all understand this?
Yes, understand.
Yes, Guruji.
So patasi, patataha, patatha. Then Uttama Purusha will be patami, patavaha, patamaha. This is what at the beginning of this slide we saw. I said we will learn that later. Now we can simply say some sentences. So what you see in this slide, this is one. So I'm giving the example. So these are the pratyas. Okay, ti, taha, anti. Si, taha, tha. Mi, vaha, maha. All the dhatus, what you saw just now, patati and davati, etc. These dhatus are declined by adding these suffixes. Suffixes are called pratyaya in Sanskrit. And present tense, Vartamana Kala. Vartamana Kala is denoted by the technical word lataha. What you see at the top, lataha. We'll talk about that later. These are called lakaras. We have got many lakaras in Sanskritam. Lakara means tenses and moods. There are 6 tenses and 4 moods. So it's a huge thing. Dhatu, it's a very huge thing. So you can 10 lakaras are there for kartari, similarly for karmani, and the dhatu can be a parasmipadi or atmanipadi. If it is atmanipadi, then the suffixes will be different. So you will see a lot of combination. So it's a very big thing. Now we are starting at the beginning. So don't worry about all those things. Even the atmanipadi suffixes, you don't need to remember now. But you need to remember ti, taha, anti, si, taha, ta, mi, vaha, maha. For one dhatu, you know the derivation. The same way for other dhatus. At least to start with. It's not all the way. Please note. Because the dhatus are 2000 dhatus. They're put in 10 ganas, classified in 10 groups. Depending on the group, the dhatus, the declension different. So I said, that's why I said it's a huge thing. So it's not easy. We'll start with simple dhatus. So ti, taha, anti, these suffixes you need to know. Let us chant that. Ti, taha, anti.
Ti, taha, anti.
Si, taha, ta.
Si,
taha, ta.
Mi, vaha, maha.
Mi, vaha, maha.
So patati, patataha, patanti. If it is the pat, dhatu is pat, to read. So patati, patataha, patanti. Patasi, patataha, patata. Patami, patavaha, patamaha. Now I'll give each dhatu to each one of you can form sentences with the table. The table I cannot show you both parallelly. If you have the table with you, you can just open. I'm giving the one simple dhatu. Bu dhatu. Bu means to be. It means is. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. Bhavasi, bhavataha, bhavata. Bhavami, bhavavaha. Please listen. Bhavami, bhavavaha, bhavamaha. So, Manjulaji, Pat dhatu already we did. Now, okay, you can take Pat dhatu. Why not? Pat dhatu. Pat dhatu. Now, decline this and also say a sentence. With the chart, you can do it. Or any word you can use. Your choice. Ramaha, Guruhu, Harihi, Mata, Pita, Karta. With some pronoun. Like, for example, Yeshaha Ramaha Patati. You can say, right?
Yeah, Guruji.
That is for Patati. Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam Patati. Similarly, Pratama Purusha Dvivachanam is Patataha. If it is Patataha, what will happen? Etau Ramau Patataha. Right? Or Imau Ramau Patataha. Using Idam Shabda. Or if you use Tat Shabda. Tau Ramau Patataha. Can we use all those things possible?
Yes, Guruji.
If it is Strilinga, it will be
Isha
Yam Rama Patati.
Yeah, Guruji.
Ime Rame Patataha. So you have to know the Shabda and you need to know the dhatu also. Shabda also corresponding dvivachanam. Rama Rame. Then sa te rame patataha. Right? Taha Ramaha patanti. Those Ramas, many Ramas are there. They are reading. Similarly, Tvam patasi. Yuvam patataha. Yuyam patata. Aham patami. Avam patalaha. Vayam patama. This you have to do like this. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Now you can take the dhatu. Dhavati.
Dhavati.
First you decline. Dhavati. Dhavataha.
Yeah, Guruji. Dhavati, Dhavatah, Dhavanti. Dhavasi, Dhavatah, Dhavata. Dhavami, Dhavavaha, Dhavamaha.
You can start with the Uttama Purusha. So it's easy.
Yeah, Aham Manjula,
Yes.
Dhavami.
Yes.
Guruji.
Avam. We two Manjulas are there now.
Guruji. Avam Manjule.
Good.
Dhavat. 1 second.
And see the screen.
Dhavavaha.
Yeah.
Dhavavaha.
Yeah. Now we Manjulas.
Guruji.
You need to remember Shabda also.
Yes, Guruji. Aham, avam, vayam. Vayam manjulaha davamaha.
Yes. So this abhyasa should come fluently. That's why Shabda I'm asking you to memorize. Rama Rame should come immediately. Manjula Aham Manjula Davami. Aham Manjula Patami. Aham Manjula Kadami. Vayam Manjulaha Patamaha. So that abhyasa has to come. It takes time. It doesn't come immediately. Next one. You can continue. Madhyama Purusha now.
Guruji. Bhavan Guruhu Dhavasi.
Okay. Bhavan. Okay.
Guruji. Tvam Guruhu Dhavasi.
Yes.
And Dvivachanam is
That's why we chanted the name Kam, Yuvam, Yoyam. Please remember that.
Yeah, Guruji.
Aham, Avam, Vayam, Tvam, Yuvam, Yoyam.
Yeah, Guruji.
Yes.
Yuvam,
Yuvam,
Guru, Dhavataha.
yes.
Vayam,
Not Vayam.
Yuyam, Guravaha, Dhavata.
Davata.
Yeah,
Can you
Dhavata.
try the exercise at the table? All of you?
Yeah, right. Guruji, but
You get a lot of sentences. So many sentences we can form.
yes, Guruji.
But practice. Only for practice I gave them. In the beginning, you need to know, you need to practice. But after that, when it becomes easy, then it's nothing. So that's why, even though you find see, all the Sarvanama Shabdas are given and many Pullinga, Strillinga Shabdas are given because for you to practice. Shabda knowledge as well as the Dhatu knowledge, both are required. That's why I gave this. Okay, now continue, Manjulaji.
Yeah, Guruji.
Prathama Purusha.
Prathama Purusha. Ishaha Ramaha Dhavati.
Okay.
Guruji?
Yes, correct. Okay.
Ete Rame.
How can be Ete Rame?
Sorry.
Either it should be Etau Ramo or Ete Rame.
Rame. Yeah, Guruji.
Yes.
Etau Ramau Dhavataha. Etaha Ramaha Dhavanti.
Etaha Ramaha not there. Because Ete Ramaha only.
Ete Ramaha Dhavanti.
Yeshaha Eto Ete. If it is Etaha, it means Strilinga. It can't be Ramaha. It could be it's Ramaha. Ete Ramaha davanti or Ete Ramaha davanti. Can you all follow?
Yes, Guruji.
I think this is a bit difficult for you at this stage. You have to practice. Anyway, we are going to do a lot of abhyasa. Okay, fine. We'll stop here. This one. We'll continue with something else. You need to practice more and more. Okay. Now the next person, Rajeshwari. You can read this. I'm giving a simple one. So that chart is for your practice. You can take 2-3 weeks, no problem. Please practice that. It's a very good exercise, that chart. Now Rajeshwari, you can read using
Yes.
Asmat, Aham, Avam, Vayam. You
Okay.
can be familiar with the words because the words are itself are not coming fluently. So you need to be familiar with the words. Aham means I, Avam means we two, Vayam means we all. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Okay, please read.
Aham Chatraha. Aham Patami.
The meaning is clear, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Avam Chatrau. Avam Patavaha. Vayam Chatraha. Vayam Patamaha.
Please continue.
Aham Balika. Aham Kridami. Avam Balike. Avam Kridavaha. Vayam Balikaha. Vayam Kridamaha.
Yes. Next person. Manjuji.
Yes, Guruji.
You can read.
Aham bhaktah, aham namami, avam bhaktau, avam namavah, vayam bhaktaha, vayam namamah. Aham mahila, aham pachami, avam mahile, avam pachavah, vayam mahila, vayam pachamah.
Vayam mahilaha.
Vayam mahilaha, vayam pachamah. Aham lekhakah, aham likhami, avam lekhakau, avam likhavah, vayam lekhikaha, vayam likhamah.
Vayam lekhakaha.
Vayam lekhakaha, vayam likhamah.
It's okay. Lekhika means Strilinga.
Yeah.
It's fine. But here it is given Lekaha since you read. Lekaha,
yeah.
Lekhakaha, Lekhakau, Lekhakaha.
Yes, Guruji.
Now you are reading, just not reading, but you are understanding also and should be able to say the other words. The table, what you saw. Now, this is Tvam Shabda, Yushmat Shabda, not Tvam, Yushmat. Lataji, you can read. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Remember the words. Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam.
Okay. Tvam balakah, tvam patasi. Yuvam balakau, yuvam patasah. Yuyam balakaha, yuyam patata. Tvam balika, tvam kridasi. Yuvam balike, yuvam kridatah. Yuyam balikaha, yuyam kridata.
So note this, Yuyam Kridatha. And Yuvam Kridatha, Visarga will be there. Visarga is not there in Bhagavachanam. Visarga is there in Dvivachanam. So you will find. Okay. The next person. Krishna Kumar. Please read.
Davakah, tvam davasi, yuvam davakau, yuvam davatah, yuyam davakaha, yuyam davata.
What is Davaka? Runner.
Run.
Yeah.
Runner. You are from Davakaha.
Davati
The one
is
who does the action of running. Runner. From Davakaha. You are a runner. From Davasi. You run. Okay, continue.
Tvam adhyapika, tvam likasi, yuvam adhyapike, yuvam likataha, yuyam adhyapikaha, yuyam likatha.
Adhyapika, Adhyapike, Adhyapikaha. Strilinga. Davakaha, Davakau, Davakaha. Pullinga. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. What linga is that?
It's It's a common.
So in the first one, Tvam Davakaha, Tvam is Pullinga. The second one, Tvam Adhyapika, Tvam is Strilinga. So Tvam in all the three lingas, the forms will be same. So depending on what it qualifies, the linga it will take. The second one, Tvam is Strilinga. The first one, Tvam is Pullinga. Okay. So and you can see Tvam Adhyapika. Adhyapika Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Therefore, Tvam also must be Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. We cannot say Yuvam Adhyapika, wrong. Tvam Adhyapike, wrong. Yuyam Adhyapika, wrong. Right? The matching with the Vachanam is important. Please continue.
Tvam Sainikaha, Tvam Rakshasi. Yuvam Sainikau, Yuvam Rakshataha. Yuyam Sainikaha, Yuyam Rakshatha.
Okay, all the dhatus need to know. Davati, Likasi, Rakshasi or Rakshati, whatever may be.
Guruji,
Yeah.
I have a question. In this, the way we write Tvam in Dhavakaha and Tvam in Adhyapika, is it the same if you put a bindi on top and if you write a mo at the end with a halant?
No, there's a difference. Here, this in the Tvam Davakaha, the Tvam, that Anuswara, that dot is called Anuswara. Okay. First, the technical word for that bindu is Anuswara. Please note that. We have seen this in the basic class.
Yeah.
Anuswara. What is called?
Anuswara.
Anuswara.
This Anuswara, when, listen very carefully, when followed by, Anuswara when followed by the next word, or the next letter, whatever may be. If it is the word, if the vowel, if the letter is it's a consonant, if the letter is a consonant, then Anuswara will remain as it is.
Okay.
Listen, Anuswara followed by the word beginning with a consonant, then the Anuswara will remain as it is. If it is not a vowel, if it is not a consonant, if it is a vowel, or if it is at the end of the sentence, then in the place of Anuswara, you will have Makara. Now in the second one, you see, it was Anuswara, but Makara has come. Why? Because the following word begins with a vowel, not a consonant. If it is a consonant, then Anuswara would have been there. The rule. Yeah. So, grammar rule. Later when we study advanced, he is going to see Monuswaraha, that is a sutra. Monuswaraha, Anuswarasya sthane. Makarasya sthane, Anuswaraha, Adeshavanda. Anyway, that's all highly technical. So, now, simple way of understanding is Anuswara will remain when followed by the consonant. If it is not a consonant, it means it could be a vowel or it could be at the end of the sentence, right? At the end of the sentence, is denoted by this danda, the stroke, what you see, danda, vertical stroke. So if it is the end of the sentence, then Makara will be there. If it is followed by consonant, then Anuswara will be there. This is a rule, right?
Oh, yeah, okay, thank you.
Yes. The next one is a simple conversation. Next person can read. Shruti ji.
Yes, Guruji.
Excuse me,
Yes.
this paper, this page, it is in which book, Ji?
It's not in any book. It is just simply gathered from different
Okay,
sources.
okay.
Just read.
Can you please send it to us, Ji?
It's all I'll upload in the Google Drive. You can download. Already many lessons are there. I don't know whether you all saw that or not.
Okay.
Please. Yeah.
Okay, Ji. Thank you, Ji. Sorry for disturbing.
Pashyata patata avagachata cha.
What does it mean?
Pashyata means
Yeah, see, that's what I said.
See?
Yeah, seeing.
Pashyati only we know. Patati,
Yeah.
please listen.
Patata.
Pashyati, patati, avagachati. Titi only we have seen so far. Patati, patataha, patanti, patasi, patataha, Pashyata we have not seen.
No.
So it is another lakara, another mood. There are 10, I said no, 10 lakaras, 6 tensors and 4 moods. One of them is, that is Pashyata means you all see. Patata, you all read. So it is Madhyama Purusha. Anyway, we will talk about that later. Now let us know the present tense only. This is some extra information. You all see, you all read, and you all understand. Avagacchata. Avagacchata is understand. Gacchati means goes. With avagacchati means understands. Okay. Anyway, don't worry too much about that. The focus is not on that. This is all this extra information. Now, the line you can read.
Can I read this line, Guruji? Vidyalaye eshaha.
Yes, yeah.
Vidyalaye eshaha vishishtakaryasya kalashaha. Kalamshaha.
Bhuvneshwarji, let the person read. Please listen. Yes, please read.
Adhuna chatraha vividhani karyani kurvanti. Adhyapakaha chatran karya vishaye pruchati.
So, Vidyalaye. Vidyalaye. I'm not going to, ask you the grammar at all. I will explain them in a sentence myself, don't worry. But just much you say, what is Eshaha?
This.
Shrutiji, you will answer.
This.
What vibhakti, what vachanam, what pratipadikam?
Ekavachanam, pradama vibhakti.
Pratipadikam?
Pratipadikam, etad.
Etad. Takarantaha, pullingaha.
Etad shabdaha.
Etad shabdaha. What is Vidyalaye? She will answer to the others. Please listen. Don't answer.
Vidyalaya means in the school.
Yeah, what vibhakti?
Vidyalaya.
What pratipadikam? What linga?
Vidyalaya. Pratipadikam is Vidyalayam.
Vidyalayam.
Vidyalayam. Yeah, Napumsakalingam.
Okay, assuming what vibhakti is Vidyalaya?
If it's Napumsakalingam, maybe I'm.
It's okay. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
If it's wrong, I will correct it. Yeah.
Dvivachanam. Palam, pale, palan.
Only Dvivachanam? Okay, let me say. Vidyalaya is not Napumsakalinga. It is Pullinga. Now tell me, what is Vidyalaya?
Vidyalaya. Vidyalaye. Rama. Vidyalaye. Rame. Rama.
I said Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Okay. When you are going to Rama.
Oh, sorry, Guruji. It's Saptami Vibhakti.
Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam, yes.
So Vidyalaye. That much you spot. That is what I want. Nothing else. Okay.
Okay.
Vidyalaye Eshaha Vishishta Karyasya. What Vibhakti?
If it's a Pullinga Karyasya. Karyasya.
Pullinga.
Sasti Vibhakti. Ramasya.
That's what I want you to spot it immediately. Karyasya, Ramasya, connect with Ramasya, Karyasya.
Yes.
Luckily it is Ramasya, Karya simple. Suppose if it is other linga, Sri Linga, it will be Karya, Yaga. I'm just saying, it's not there. So you have to spot that. So Vidyalaye Eshaha Vishishta Karyasya Kalamshaha. Kalamsha, this time is for the Vishishta Karya, special Karya, special work, special task. Aduna Chatraha Vividani Karyani Kurvanti. Aduna, now, what is Chatraha? What Vibhakti? What Vachanam?
Bahuvachanam. Chatraha and Pradama Vibhakti.
What Purusha is? What Linga is that?
Pullinga.
Why not Sri Linga?
Ramaha. Chatra is Pullinga.
Why not Sri Linga? Possible or not?
Possible, yes.
Because if it is Chatra, female student, Chatra, Chatre,
Chatraha.
So Chatraha, you cannot say whether Pullinga or Sri Linga. Depends on the context. Right?
Yes.
So it can be Pullinga or it can be Sri Linga. Male students, then Chatraha. Female students, then also Chatraha only.
Chatraha.
So Aduna Chatraha Vividani Karyani Kurvanti. So now the students are doing different karya, different tasks.
Karya.
Adhyapakaha, what linga is it? What vibhakti? What vachanam?
Adhyapakaha.
No, only one vibhakti. Other vibhaktis we have not.
Pulling, Pradama Vibhakti, Pullinga,
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
So Adhyapakaha, Chatran. Okay. What
If
about
it's
Chatran?
Chatra means if it's a Pullinga, it's a Bahuvachanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Raman. Like
Raman.
Raman.
If it is Strilinga, can it be Strilinga?
If it's Strilinga,
Chatran, can it be Strilinga or not?
no, I don't think so.
Because there is no Rama Rame Ramaha, Rama Rame Ramaha. Where is Raman? Not there.
No.
So Chatra is Pullinga only. Therefore, the previous word Chatraha also must be Pullinga, right?
Pullinga.
So you can infer.
Yes.
Understand? So Chatraha Vividani Karyani Kurvanti Adhyapakaha Chatran. Now, Karya Vishaye. What linga is what vibhakti
Karya,
is that?
if it's Pullinga Karya Vishayaha,
Vishaye,
Vishaye means
Vidyalaye.
Vidyalaye.
What is that?
Saptami.
Saptami vibhakti. Spot that. That is important. Spotting the vibhakti is important. The meaning part and all we will see later. But just spot the vibhakti. Adhyapakaha Prichati. Chatran Karya Vishaye Prichati. So Prichati means
asked.
The teacher asked the students about the work, the Karya Vishaye. Now continue. Read now.
Adhyapakaha. Tvam kim karoshi?
What does it mean?
Tvam kim karoshi? What are you all doing?
What are you doing? Only you.
You.
Tvam kim karoshi. And the Chatra answers. What is the answer?
Aham patami. I am reading.
So why karoshi and karomi is not like patati? So therefore we need to know the special dhatu, kru dhatu. What you see the screen. Let us chant this. You need to memorize this. Okay. All of you can repeat. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha. Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha. Karoti pratham purusha ekavachanam. Ramaha karoti, saha karoti, guruhu karoti, adhyapaka karoti. Then karoshi, tvam karoshi, you do. Aham karomi. Similarly, kurutaha, Ramau kurutaha, or Rame kurutaha. Right? Then kurvanti, Ramaha kurvanti, Ramaha kurvanti, Bhagavachanam. Then kurutaha, Yuvam kurutaha, Yuyam kurutha, Avam kurvaha, we too do. Vayam kurmaha, we all do. So, karomi kurvaha kurmaha, aham avam vayam. Karoshi kurutaha kuruta, tvam yuvam yuyam. Karoti kurutaha kurvanti, any shabda matching with the vibhakti. Clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Now, in this lesson, the Adhyapaka is asking the student. Therefore, tvam kim karoshi. Karoshi now, what purusha, what vachanam? Just now we saw in the table.
Madhyama purusha.
Madhyama purusha.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. And tvam is prathama vibhakti.
Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. Tvam anyway is madhyama purusha, right?
Yes.
So you can see matching. Tvam karoshi. You cannot say tvam karoti. Wrong.
Yeah.
Can we say tvam karoti?
No.
You cannot ask tvam kim karomi. Can you ask?
No.
No, you cannot ask tvam kim karomi because karomi is what purusha?
Uttama
purusha. And tvam is second person. So there is a mismatch of purusha. You cannot ask, it is meaningless, right?
Yes.
So tvam kim karoshi. So what are you doing? Aham patami. Aham patami only you can say. You cannot say aham patasi. Can you say aham patasi?
No.
No. Aham patati. No. You cannot say aham patami. Can I say aham patamaha?
No.
No. Why?
No. Vayam
Vayam
patamaha.
patamaha.
Bahuvachanam.
Aham patamaha, there is mismatch of the number.
Vachanam.
Vachanam. You understand all this?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes.
This, therefore, here tvam kim karoshi is there. In fact, you can drop the tvam. Kim karoshi, tvam is understood. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because karoshi is Madhyama Purusha. So naturally it is you only, second person. So tvam is not required. Even if it is there, it is fine. Nothing wrong. Okay. Kim karoshi means tvam is understood. Then you can answer patami. Agam is understood. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, teacher as a student. Now, if the tvam kim karoshi, if what to whom you ask, if the person is a senior person or if he is a respectable, revered person, then you cannot ask tvam. You should use
Bhavan.
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 If it is pullinga, bhavan. If it is strilinga, bhavati.
Bhavati.
Bhavan kim dash karoshi
No.
karoti.
Karoti.
Even in Tamil we say, how many of you know Tamil? I don't know. In Tamil also we address the senior with the first person. You don't, in India also it's like that, I think. Ningal enna seigiriggal with plural, with respect, we ask. So, Bhavan kim karoti. This is when you address a senior person, respectable person, using Bhavan. When you use Bhavan, then we can change the person also. Karoti, not karoshi. Even though Bhavan is you, but we use karoti. That is with respect. Why, respect? Why karoti? Why karoti? Karoti is what?
Ekvachanam.
Karoti is
Pratama Purusha.
Pratama Purusha. Pratama is first. It means I give importance to you. I give respect to you. That is why Pratama Purusha is used. Karoti. The language, see how the language is so beautiful. Bhavan kim karoti. The way you respect the person is denoted by the usage of Bhavan. Even though Bhavan is Madhyama Purusha, but he uses karoti only, not karoshi. Bhavan kim karoti. Bhavati kim karoti. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
We will talk about this later. I'm just giving some hint about this. Now continue, Shrutiji.
Yeah.
One
Adhyapakaha.
thing, I have a doubt. In the table, you have given Tvam and Bhavan together, no?
You have to use a
So,
verb only.
like,
That is why I'm giving this now.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Adhyapakaha. Tvam kim patasi? Chatraha.
The
Aham.
table I have given Tvam Bhavan, both meaning Madhyama Purusha. But when you use Bhavan,
Yeah.
you have to use Pratama Purusha Kriyapadam. Patati, Bhavan Patati, Bhavan Davati. Okay.
Okay.
So you please rework on you work on the table. You can take again the table as a homework. I think you would not have done, all of you. Please do it.
Okay.
Yeah, Shrutiji, please continue.
Tvam kim patasi? Chatraha. Aham patam patami. Adhyapakaha. Uttamam.
Very good. I'm not saying, he's saying. The teacher is saying Uttamam. Yeah, I'm also
Uttamam.
saying Uttamam. Good. Aham patam patami. I read the lesson.
Lesson.
Okay. Now you are familiar with the usage of aham tvam, right? Only that.
Yes.
Only that is the intention of this lesson. Nothing else. Now. I will give some dhatu. You can take the dhatu and you yourself can form sentences. These dhatus, the list of dhatus, dhatu list number 1, already I have given you. You have seen this, right? This we have read this before.
Yes, Raj.
Then the next set of dhatus, we will read all these things in next class. Today is time not there. I'll give another set of dhatus. We are going to work on all these things in the next class, in the successive classes. Now I'll give another list of dhatus. You can please note. I have given here the dhatu. Khad means eats. Khad becomes khadati. This is the next set of dhatus. You need to know a lot of dhatus. Okay, dhatus are important. Khad becomes khadati. Pach means to cook. It becomes pachati. So you can see I'm using only Pratama Purusha for example here. So you can form the other Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam only I'm doing. So Kadati, Kadatah, Kadanti, Kadasi, Kadatah, Kadata, Kadami, Kadavaha, Kadama. Similarly, Pachati. Right? All the other Kriya Padam. This you need to practice. So this week homework is for you to practice this Kriya Padam. So the next person can read. Priyaji, please read 5 dhatus.
First, Maiji.
Yes.
Kadati, Pachati, Patati, Vadati, Rakshati.
So fine. You can read also with the dhatu. The next person. Next person is Raja. Yes, Raja. You can read the next set of dhatus with the dhatu and the kriya padam. What you see here is dhatu, okay, and here this is kriya padam. From vas dhatu, vasati. Please read. Rajaji, are you there?
Yeah, yes.
Please read.
Yeah. Vas vasati, char charati, jeev jeevati, nam namati, tyaj tyajati.
Tyajati, gives up. Tyajati, gives up or leaves, that is the meaning. Tyajati. The next person, Kamakshaji.
Atati, ni nayati, pa pibati, prach prichati.
Just now we saw prichati, adhyapaka prichati. So that is from the dhatu prach, not prachati. It becomes prichati. You need to note this. Okay. Dhatu is prach. So you need to have the knowledge of dhatus and also the kriya padam. You understand this is dhatu. This is kriya padam.
Yes, Guruji.
Dhatu is the prakriti. Prakriti is converted to the padam by adding the suffixes. Ti, taha, anti, si, taha, ta, ti, vaha, maha. Those are the pratyayas. Suffixes are called pratyaya. What pratyayas they are? They are ting pratyayas. We have seen that before. Ting pratyayas. So prach becomes prichati. So what will be the other forms? Prichati.
Prichati, prichatah, prichanti, prichasi, prichatah, prichata, prichami, prichavaha, prichamaha.
Yes. Continue.
Stha, tishtati, drish, pashyati.
Yes, here also you can note sta, to stand, to be, that becomes tishta. So the form changes, the form of the dhatu changes. There are some dhatus like this, form changes. Drish, to see, that becomes pashyati. So all the dhatus and the meanings you need to know, important. Next person, Mekhalaji.
Dhavati, sprish, to touch, sprishati. Guruji, sprish is not to see, no?
No, drish is to see. Just now we saw. Drish, to see. Darshanam.
Sprish is to see. Pashyati,
Drish,
okay.
to see. Sprish is to touch. Sparsha.
Okay. Rat is to, ratati means to repeat. Bhu becomes, is bhavati. Arch, worship, archati.
We saw that. Bhudhata we just now saw. Bhu bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. So I need to know that. Bhavati. And bhavati means is.
Is.
Equivalent to is. The next person. Kanakaji. The next 5 dhatus.
Krit, kartayati, kat, katyati, katayati, kr, karoti, kuj, kujati, karandati.
Not karandati. Where is karandati? Krandati.
Krandati. Sorry.
Krand, to cry. Krandati.
Krandati.
To cry. So krand means to cry. Krandati is cries. Kuj to chirp. Kujati chirps. Okay. What the meaning here is meaning of the Kriya Padam. Dhatu will be to chirp. Kr to do. Kat to tell. Okay. The next person. Next person. Bhuvaneshwari ji can read. Bhuvaneshwari ji, are you there?
Yeah.
From Gam.
Gam goes gachati. Gau sings gayati.
Not go.
Gai.
Go means
Gai, sorry. Gai sings gayati. Gad speaks gadati. Kan digs kanati. Tr tarati. Dhyai dhyayati.
yes. These are some of the Kriya Padam. You please practice declining this. And you can use other Purusha, other Vachanam. Try to do that. Yeah. So I think you can stop here today. This Kriya Padam list, maybe I can send you a copy and paste and send it to WhatsApp. You will see more and more Kriya Padam. There are about 2000 dhatus are there. So 2000 dhatus, you need not know all the dhatus, but at least some 600 to 700 dhatus important that we need to know. We will be using all these dhatus.
Guruji, tarati, we can use it for swimming also?
Yes, you're right. Yes, tarati, crosses over, swims, both. Yes.
Okay.
So you need to know the dhatus so that we can do the translation. We are going to do the next, maybe the next or after that. So please note this Kriya Padams. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask. And the chart also is your homework. That also you can please try. Okay. So we stop here. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद. Thank you.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
Guruji, can I ask?
Yes, please. Yeah, please ask.